Hi, my name is Rafaela Wolf. I'm the Channel Partner Manager of R3 Solutions. R3 Solutions is a mid-sized company based in the heart of Berlin in Germany. R3 Solutions is offering an industrial-grade wireless for any Ethernet IP or CIP Safety device. It is based on our own wireless architecture that we call EchoRing. R3 serves any kind of factory automation verticals that you can think of. So it could be automotive industry, could be packaging, could be food and beverage, could be steel and mining, and even entertainment sector R3 is in. And in the future, it could be anything, could be even aerospace. So R3 offers an industrial-grade wireless solution. We call it EchoRing. And EchoRing is wireless beyond Wi-Fi. Wireless that is so reliable and so deterministic that you can make safety applications wireless. The key feature behind it is uRLLC, ultra-reliable, low-latency communication. So whenever cables are disturbing and Wi-Fi is not enough, EchoRing is the solution. And most important, it is independent from any infrastructure in the plant. So first of all, it's our technology. Our technology, as far as I know, no other company in the world has such a technology and the capability of bringing up such a reliable industrial-grade wireless. So in 2023, we will come up with a new product. This new product will combine the advantages of Wi-Fi 6 and EchoRing. So whenever you need broadband data and uRLLC, this product will be perfect for you, especially for everyone who's in the AGV market. So customers can join or offer to their customers the most wanted flexibility in areas where cables are the limit. Additionally, they can upgrade their applications without high installation costs. So despite of reducing downtimes, industrial-grade wireless means hassle-free wireless. And that means hassle-free operations. So end customers get the highest wireless performance on mobile applications, which means less cost, higher productivity, you name it.